Hi, this is Brant from Neutrik. Today we're going to talk about the etherCON family of products. First, I'm going to talk about the PCB mount versions. These come in both an indoor and an outdoor rated version. These allow for quick connections of both the etherCON family of cable carriers as well as standard RJ45s. We also have options for feed-throughs. These are Cat 6A rated and have connectors on both the front and the back that feed through to any type of device where you're requiring a Cat 6A performance. We also have cable carriers for those robust needs. We have indoor versions as well as outdoor versions. The etherCON retractable shell is also handy for when you have a device where you do not have a Neutrik RJ45 connector on them. You simply retract the shell and you can plug this into a standard RJ45 jack. When you're done, you can simply pull it back into place and now you have a cable with a carrier that is robust and reliable. For more information on Neutrik etherCON family of products, please go to neutrik.com.